It's one of the most impressive pieces of equipment at the 25-year-old company Marine Group Boatworks.
Our marine travel lift is one of the largest in the world at 665 tons. We can lift a vessel about 200 feet long, and as a result, we attract some of the largest private yachts in the world from all over the world come to San Diego for their refits and their repairs.
The family-owned business sits on 1 million square feet of land and water in Chula Vista and is San Diego's largest yacht repair facility, working on government vessels, commercial vessels, tugboats, barges, fishing boats, and large private yachts.
We're standing underneath the Californian, which is the official tall ship of the state of California. That's operated by the Maritime Museum here in San Diego. We handle all of the Maritime Museum's repairs as part of our outreach to the community and making sure that maritime history is preserved on the waterfront.
As a tenant of the Port of San Diego and a member of the Port's Green Business Network, Marine Group Boatworks is constantly striving to conserve and preserve.
Being part of the Green Business Network has raised an awareness with our key team players here, is understanding that this is a constant battle that we need to take on, and making sure that our operations are both environmentally sensitive and responsible.
Through the Green Business Network, Marine Group Boatworks made several positive enhancements at their repair facility that has saved them tens of thousands of dollars.
Our first big step was to bring SDG&E in to do an energy audit. As you can imagine, at a facility like this, we consume a tremendous amount of electricity, and cost and carbon footprint is a big issue for us and our customers. So by bringing SDG&E in, we were able to go in through all of the facets of our business and determine where we could make changes and how we could affect those changes to result in reduced power consumption, and it's been a very successful program for us. In year one, we had savings of about 22 to 25%, and then we were able to increase that to a savings of an additional 7% in year two.
The company is also changing out its lighting to LED lights. They're using a higher voltage and more efficient stormwater pump and filter.
Our biggest saver in electricity was we were able to change our big air compressors down to variable speed motors on the air compressor. So when the compressor doesn't need to produce, it slows itself down and goes into a bit of a standby mode, and then when the demand comes, it turns itself back on, versus running all the time. San Diego Bay is a precious resource for all of us. There's people who use the bay, and it's our job as the custodians of this bay to ensure that nothing we do goes back into the bay. Marine Group is proud to be a zero discharge facility.
Storm drains like this one around the facility collect any runoff. It's collected in a 60,000-gallon storm drain tank. It's tested at a laboratory for pollutants, and then it's submitted to the city for further treatment.
The Green Business Network was not only a great level of awareness for the company, but it saved money. It absolutely saved money, and I'd encourage you you want to see results, bottom line oriented results, this is a great way to do it.
I'm Phoebe Chong Chua for Live Fit Magazine.